Hello everyone, this is LockpickingDev. We have a Master 570 for us to pick. I'm surprised I haven't done this one yet. That's one of the first dead core locks you start with. Once you get past the basic Master number 3s and start feeling good with normal, padlocks with no security pins in them. So this will help get you prepared for American locks and the Pro series of master locks. The thing about dead cores is that means there's no spring tension on the core. It means it's dead. It doesn't move on its own. You move it. So it takes very light tension because you're not pushing against anything with your tension wrench here. We almost got it here. A bit closer. A spool. Pin 3. Another spool in the back. And there we are. So this looks like this had about 2 spools in it. Unfortunately, as you can see down in there's no screws, so we can't take out the core, which kind of sucks. So I'd like to see what's in it. I definitely felt 2 spools. I'm gonna look in it, see if there's another way to take this out. Maybe this is a little thing right here is a way to get it out. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.